Okay, so today's video is going, and I would argue that links are of the 20th century. Now, that sounds a bit facetious, a bit of hyperbole, a bit over the top, but I would, because links have changed our civilization. They are changing our civilization. Now, what is a link? Now, you probably use links every day and have never really thought much about it. But here's a link. We'll go to a web page. We'll go to maybe just a web page here, and you see here this little button here that underlines. That's a link, and when I click on it, it takes me to another page, and when I click on this one, it takes me to another page over here, and if I click this button, it changes me to the page in German. So that's what a link is, and we sort of get that at a high level. We understand what that is, and essentially you have a web page, you've got some stuff on it, and then the person clicks on something and it takes them over to another web page over here with some more stuff on it. Now, what this means is you can link data together. You can link things together in ways that we never could before, and you say, oh, I don't know what that means, so and then you can just click on it and it takes you to exactly what it means, or to something else that's linked, that's some information. And it's the basis for Google. It's the basis for all of our current kind of rate of civilization increase and technological gain. There's so many benefits from links. Now, that's my technology rant over. So how do you do a link in a web page? Well, what you need is the link tag, which is very simple. It was developed by Tim Berners-Lee right back at the beginning, and it's open triangular brackets A, just A, nothing else. And then what you need is an attribute, which is href, href, href. That means hypertext reference. And we'll do equals, quotation marks, and we'll do just a really simple one to start with. We'll just do http google.com. That's http:// close quotation marks, and that's pretty much it. We'll just close that off. Now, there's one more thing we need. Once we close the triangular brackets, we need the text that's actually going to show to people. Because if you remember from text formatting, you put a tag around the text that you want to appear. So href, that's link, starting a link to Google, and we're going to say go to Google, and we're going to close this link now. So we're going to do a close a link tag. We're going to save that. We're going to go to our web page, and there you see a link that's popped up down there. So I click on that and it will take me, hopefully, straight to Google. There we go. And if you've done that, high five, a digital high five through the internet wires, because that's really cool. And I'm just going to put a break in there so that it puts it under the image. So we'll save that, refresh this. Pardon me, and there it is underneath. Now, say we wanted a second web page. I might just have time to do this. Say we wanted a second web page on our own website. So I'm going to be really quick about this. You try and keep up as we do it. I'm going to create a new. Oh no, I don't want that. I want a new page. I'm going to take all of this. I'm going to select all of that, copy all of this, and put it into a new page. And we're going to save this page. This is kind of a bit more advanced, so see if you can keep up. We're going to call it page2.html. We're going to save it as an HTML file. So now we've got two pages. We've got the index and we've got a page 2. We've got 2 pages going on here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to link from our first page to page2.html. go to page 2 and save that. And then from the second page, we're going to link back to page 1, which is actually called index.html. And we're going to say go to the home page. There you go. So we'll save that now. So if you kept up, we've got 2 pages. We've got a link that says go to page 2 that goes to page 2, and then we've got the same stuff on page 2 as on page 1, but with a link that links back to page 1 again, or to the home page. So let's see how that looks. So we've saved both of these. There we go. Let's refresh this. So here we've got a link. It says go to 2. So go to 2, and we're now on page 2, and it says go to home page, and we can go back to the home page. Now you've done links, which is fantastic. So you're pretty much ready to go on to sort of some more advanced stuff and maybe try some CSS, but we'll leave all of that for another video. So I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.